a political historian who has accurately predicted every general U.S. election outcome for the past 40 years, was recently asked whether the Democratic Party should consider replacing Joe Biden following his poor debate performance against Donald Trump last Thursday. After Biden's debate, which was marred by numerous gaffes, many within the Democratic Party have begun pointing fingers, criticizing Biden's advisors for inadequate preparation, and some are calling for Biden to be replaced before the upcoming election. Dr. Allan Lichtman of American University, who has yet to make his official prediction about November's election and previously stated that Trump's 34 felony convictions are unlikely to affect the 2024 election, cautioned the Democrats against removing the 81-year-old Biden from the ticket. "It's a huge mistake," he told CNN. "They're not doctors. They don't know whether Biden is physically capable of carrying out a second term or not." Dr. Lichtman noted that similar concerns were raised about Ronald Reagan, who ran for a second term at the age of 73 and won 49 states. "This is all foolhardy nonsense," he said. "The same pundits who led us down the primrose path of 2016 are giving the Democrats horrible advice," he added. At the first sign of adversity, the spineless Democrats want to throw their own incumbent president under the bus. My goodness. Lichtman's prediction method involves 13 key questions related to party mandate, contest, incumbency, third party, short-term economy, long-term economy, policy change, social unrest, scandal, foreign military failure, foreign military success, incumbent charisma, and challenger charisma. The historian developed this formula with mathematician Vladimir Kailis Borok by analyzing elections dating back to 1860 and has used it to correctly predict the outcome of 9 presidential elections since 1984. Lichtman's method, which eschews personal preferences, was notably one of the few to correctly predict Trump's victory in 2016, when most polls and political commentators favored Democrat Hillary Clinton.